What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Hyundai remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Hyundai vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to grab a flathead screwdriver, and if we take a look at the bottom, just under where that emergency key slid out of, there's this notch right here. So what I'm going to do is put the key in that notch like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, it splits the two halves of the shell apart like that. And you can go ahead and pull them the rest of the way apart with your hands. And now we see our battery right here. And it'll just push out of that holder like that. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Slide it into that holder. And then we'll snap the two halves of the shell back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.